Good morning, respected principal sir, learned colleagues, and my dear students. Today, we all have gathered online to celebrate National Sports Day. It is a very auspicious occasion, and we commemorate the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand ji on this day. In a country where the people have been conditioned to date over cricket and football, few know that India relegates an entire day to celebrate the glory of all kinds of sports. Today, this day on 29th August, every year we celebrate the glory of all kinds of sports. The National Sports Day is observed on 29th August every year and coincides with the birthday of legendary Olympian Dhyan Chand Singh Ji. The National Sports Day, which is also known as the Rashtriya Khel Divas, was first inducted into the list of celebratory days in 2012. Like different days are celebrated on particular day. So from 2012 onwards, National Sports Day started being celebrated from 29th August 2012. Ever since then, it has been the center of attraction for ardent sport lovers of the country. The sole reason behind celebrating National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports. Various states celebrate this day with pomp and flair, but basically, there are some states such as Haryana, Punjab, they are very much into it and they involve so much in on that day that they organize many events from kabaddi, marathon, basketball, tennis, football, cricket, among others, while talent hunts are conducted at the same level, all in combined effort to promote sporting talent in India. We all know that India has very talented youth. So, in India's rich sporting history, the exemplary figure of Dhyan Chand Singh clearly cuts out a mark for himself. Born in the city of Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh on 29th August 1905, Dhyan Chand Singh was regarded as a prodigy in the field of hockey. During his years as a professional hockey player, Singh won the Major Dhyan Chand Singh Ji won the Olympic gold medal on three occasions: 1928, 1932, and 1936. In 1928, he was the highest scorer in Amsterdam Olympics. He also cemented his position in the pages of history by winning gold medal for India in hockey. During the 1936 Berlin Olympics, during World War was going on, World War was about to start and it was going on. At that time, Adolf Hitler, we have heard about the name of Adolf Hitler, he was very much impressed with Major Dhyan Singh Ji, the hockey ke jadugar we say. He was really a jadugar at play. The colorful personality of Dhyan Chand is well remembered because of his tacit refusal in saluting the great dictator during the hockey finals against Germany in 1936. However, Hitler was very overwhelmed by Major Dhyan Chand Singh Ji and his performance against them. that he desired to buy Major Dhyanchand Singh Ji's hockey stick out of admiration for three-time Olympic gold medalist. Dhyanchand's name, as it seems, he is one of the most talented sports person India has ever produced. And we all know, we all have heard about Mr. Dhyanchand Singh Ji, his talent. There is a story behind his name, Major Dhyanchand Singh. That Chand title was given to him because, see, he was basically he joined Indian Army. He joined Indian Army at the age of 16. Right at the age of 16, he joined Indian Army, and during the daytime he did not get time to practice, so he started practicing at night. And when moon used to come, then he used to play in that light. So he was conferred the title of Chand by his friends. Dhyanchand Singh Ji was conferred with the Padma Bhushan in 1956, which is the third highest civilian honor. Thereafter, his birthday has been regarded as Rashtriya Khel Divas or National Sports Day, with various tournaments being organized all over the country. This celebration highlights the overall importance of sports and gives nudge to masses in realizing the necessity of sporting activities in maintaining a healthy and fit body. As we know, uh, now Fit India movement has been initiated by the government of India, by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Fit India Freedom Run is being organized only to come out of the stress which we are in since the lockdown days. All the students, all the teachers, parents, they are all sitting at home. They are getting stressed. To relieve that stress, Government of India has decided to organize an event which is named as Fit India Freedom Run, where you can run at any place, any duration, any amount of distance you can cover, but maintain the social distancing norms. The timeline, the time period for the Freedom Run has been given from 15th August. It has been started from 15th August to 2nd October. So I would urge you all, parents, teachers, and my dear students, to actively participate in this event and make yourself healthy. You can do it at home also. आप घर पे भी कर सकते हो. You can do jogging at home. You can do skipping at home. Okay, you can do many kind of activities. I have also made a video of exercise I have shared, so you can see those videos. You can practice at home. Always remember, during this time of pandemic, maintain social distancing norms and do it at your home. You can run at home, you can jump at home, or you can run in your balcony, anywhere, at any place of your choice. Okay, so kindly participate in that event. So now we were discussing about Major Dhyanchand Singh Ji, whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day. हम लोग सब जानते हैं नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं मेजर ध्यानचंद सिंह जी के बर्थडे की वजह से, उनके बर्थडे को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए ये एक ऐसा दिन थ्रू आउट इंडिया रखा गया है कि हम लोग उसको सेलिब्रेट करें एज अ नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे। एंड रिमेंबर, हॉकी में द फर्स्ट 3 gold medals were won by India, and Major Dhyanchand Singh ji played a major role in those 3 games in 1928, 1932, and 1936. You all will be mesmerized by listening this that uh, India won almost first from 28 onwards. India won almost 7 Olympic medals out of 8 Olympic games held. So Major Dhyanchand's personality was, you cannot imagine. He was just a phenomenal sports person. He was called Hockey Wizard, Hockey ke Jadugar, the legend. Okay, so the celebration of National Sports Day gives a nudge to the masses in realizing the necessity of sporting events in maintaining a healthy and fit body. The legends of various sports are remembered on this day, while the present and budding sporting icons are lauded. The spirit of healthy competition is encouraged, and different schools organize races and matches in the celebration of this day. The other important event that takes place on Dhyanchand Singh's birthday is that Rashtrapati Bhavan organizes special award ceremony in the honor of sporting heroes of our country. The President of India takes this day to hand out the prestigious award like Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, and Dronacharya Award to various sports persons who have done proud in that year. The Dhyan Chand Award is also given as Lifetime Achievement Award in sports and is the highest on the list. The National Sports Day is a gala celebration of sporting talent in our country. It is a day where we commemorate the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh ji. He was a different kind of player. People were mesmerized by the way he used to play. A personality of that stature has been a part of our country. He has always brought glory to our country. India is packed with individuals. We know India is packed with talent. India is packed with individuals who have the flair for sports in every nook and corner of the nation. The Rashtriya Khel Divas, or what we say as National Sports Day, prioritizes in promoting this talent, whereby India can scale higher glories in international sphere. Most importantly, the day celebrates every sport as an equal, and limelight is not cast selectively but shines bright on every one of them, kindling the fire and passion within the athletes anew. The days today, at present, cricket is one of the most celebrated sports in our country, and people themselves relate with cricket. But this day, 29th August, is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of our Major Dhyan Chand Singh ji and to remember to uh, uh, promote the sports talent in our country. As I have said, India is full of talent. We have a lot of talent in our country. The only thing is awareness should be there. As of now, हमें पता है because of this pandemic situation, we are going through a very tough time. Otherwise, we would have celebrated this day in our school with pomp and flair in front of our students. But then, we always find a way to celebrate any day when we wish to. This situation has enabled us to be prepared and to come out with different ideas during this time. Hope, my dear students, you all will participate today in various gamings and sports. Do it at home. You can do at home. See, it is not necessary to go outside and practice. You can do it at home. You can do jogging on the spot. You can do jumping jack. You can do one step jump. Okay, these are just the home's exercises which you can practice at home. Fit India Freedom Run is going on. Just I have mentioned sometimes earlier. Please do participate. You can do it at home also. Okay. National Sports Day is really one of those days in our country where we celebrate sports persons only. See, there are many days. We celebrate Science Day, we celebrate Mathematics Day, we celebrate Earth Day, we celebrate many days, we celebrate Ozone Day. So, National Sports Day is celebrated only to promote the young talent, to promote sports in our country. So, in our coming years, the youths of our country should participate in Olympics and bring glory to our country. Major Dhyan Chand Singh ji was one of the most celebrated sports person of our country. As I have said earlier, he was part of Indian Army. He brought glory. He played, then also being a part of army, he played hockey at that time. During the days, he did not get time. So he used to practice at night, as I have said earlier. So he is an inspiration to all of us. Major Dhyan Chand Singh ji is an inspiration to all of us. I hope, I wish all the students good health. May you all shine bright in future. And please, it's a request from our side. Keep yourself healthy and fit by practicing yoga asanas at home, by practicing exercises at home, or you can do on the spot jogging. Keep yourself healthy and fit by this time. I would like to thank you all for joining this platform online. Thank you very much.